Should we test out the cheapest drone that Walmart has?
Sure.
Where are they?
This way.
Wait, they were here last time.
Okay, then I know where they are, Daddy.
Where? I guess this is our only option.
Okay. Let's get it.
$60. Here. Okay, so today we're testing out the VA2320 Voyage drone from Walmart. The cheapest drone we could find at Walmart. Actually, the only drone that the Walmart in our area sold. It was $60. Let's open it up and see what this thing can do, hey?
Uh-huh.
Come on, come on. Okay, I tried to be nice.
And you can't be nice, right?
Not with this box.
Are you?
So we got what looks like our battery that we need to go start charging. We got some extra propellers. Oh, we got a USB, a screwdriver, and the thing to hold your phone. Okay, so we've got our drone set up, batteries charged, SD card goes in the bottom here.
It's not fully charged.
We got batteries in the controller. We got our phone clip on here. So on your phone, you just go and download the HD Video Drone app. And I think we're gonna take this thing outside now and make it fly, right, Jay? Mm-hmm. Let's go. We turn this on. We turn this on. So when you turn everything on, you're supposed to push the throttle all the way forwards and all the way back till the light stops blinking, and that means you've calibrated it. Now this thing's ready to fly. Here. Ah!
No.
Where's it going? Pull the camera up. We crashed it already and you didn't even get it on video.
Are you okay? I think you're okay. Ooh.
So far this is not working great.
No. No.
You're supposed to be able to hit the auto up and auto down button and it's supposed to just float there. And it's not, it's just blowing away in the wind.
It says it's supposed to be.
So now it's gonna take off.
Huh?
No, you can let go of the button, Jay. Okay, take two. We're gonna try this inside the house now because Mom's not home. Because the wind was just pushing it around outside and it was too hard to control for someone who's never flown a drone before. We're gonna try this in the house to see if we can get used to it, and then we'll go outside.
Just don't fly it too high. No.
Ah! JJ, go open the sliding door. I'm gonna drive this thing out. I'm confident enough in myself now. Well, that didn't work at all.
No.
Okay, take 3. We're back outside. I'm feeling a lot more confident.
3,
We're gonna make this thing go.
2, 1, go! Don't land it in the fire!
Okay. We're getting it stabilized. It doesn't like the wind at all. Don't touch the left one. Hey Jay, you remember yesterday when we had a drone? Yeah. It's pretty fun, hey?
Yep.
Where did it end up now?
Somewhere in the world.
Somewhere in the world? So yesterday, of course, when we had the camera off, we got pretty confident with our new drone and we thought we were going to take it for a little spin. Where did you send it, Jay?
Way out over there.
It pretty much went straight up and as far that way till we lost track of it.
It went that way.
Now it's gone.
Somebody finds it, somebody finds it.
Somebody finds it, somebody finds it. So all in all, our review of the $60 drone, it was fun while it lasted. It'd be nice if it had a return home button. So you get what you pay for. Video quality was pretty poor. I don't know. We'll put a little video together here and we'll show you what we did with it.